In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana project to Excel using a CSV file. This is a simple and practical workflow if you want to review your Asana project data outside of Asana, build reports, sort information more freely, or share the project in a spreadsheet format. The process only takes a few moments, and once you know where to click, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need an updated export. To begin, open the Asana project you want to work with. Once you're inside the project, look at the project header area near the top of the page. There, click the drop-down arrow next to the project title. This menu gives you access to several project-level options, including sharing and exporting tools. From that drop-down menu, choose Export/Share and then select CSV. Asana will generate a CSV version of your project data. A CSV file, or comma-separated values file, is a common format used to move data between platforms, especially into spreadsheet programs like Excel. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your computer, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it. If needed, take a moment to note the folder where the file is being stored so it's easy to find in the next step. After the CSV file has been downloaded, open Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, go to the Data tab at the top. In the Data Tools, click From Text/CSV. This option allows Excel to import data from a CSV file while preserving the column structure in a much cleaner way than simply opening the file directly in some cases. Now browse to the location where your downloaded CSV file was saved and select it. Excel will show you a preview of the data before importing it. This is helpful because you can quickly confirm that the columns appear correctly and that the content looks organized the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Load. Excel will then import the CSV data into your worksheet and place the project information into formatted columns. That makes it much easier to read,